Hi everyone, I'm Jane from InAnalytics.io. In this video, I'm showing you how to integrate Modbus into SQL using InDriver in just 1 minute. First, I'm selecting a computer with InDriver installed, which in our case, is a Giada. Now, I'm adding a new task and naming it Modbus SQL. In this segment, I'm writing some simple code in the onStartup section. I'm currently importing the Modbus API and defining a 10-second interval. This interval is crucial as it will trigger the OnHook script. Following that, I'm establishing a TsApi connection to our Modbus device, which in this case is the Moxa IOLogic. In the OnHook section, I'm utilizing the ReadDevice function from the Modbus API with arguments requesting a readout of coils numbered 1 to 8. The function getDeviceData returns the states of these coils, formatted in JSON. I'm using the debug function to display Modbus data in the console below the editor. I'm using the SQL execute function for SQL data insertion. This insertion, facilitated by a function from InDriver's TsApi, targets the table named public.modbus with the columns source, here labeled as Moxa IOLogic E1212, TS with the current timestamp, and data as John containing the states of Modbus coils. Now, I'm pressing the Save and Reload button. Consequently, InDriver on the Giada computer begins the Modbus SQL task. You can closely observe this in the logs that are being displayed in the console, just below the editor. To verify that the data are being logged in the database, I'm now opening pgAdmin. Here, I'm typing in SQL select query. In the results section, you'll be able to see the latest data from our Modbus device, presented in JSON format. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it has been informative and helpful in understanding how to integrate Modbus with SQL using InDriver. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. I'm Jane from InAnalytics.io, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, happy coding!